QR code, stand for Quick Response Code, is a kind of standardized identification that contains a network of dabs. It tends to be checked utilizing a QR scanner or a cell phone with worked-in camera. A scanner tag is a machine-decipherable optical mark that contains data about the thing to which it is appended. Practically speaking, QR codes regularly contain information for our locator, identifier, or tracker that focuses to a site or application. A QR code utilizes four normalized encoding modes: numeric, alphanumeric, byte, twofold, and kanji, to store information productively. Expansions may likewise be utilized. The quick response framework got well known outside the car business because of its quick intelligibility and more noteworthy stockpiling limit contrasted with standard UPC standardized tags. The most effective method to check telephone camera naturally filters QR codes. In the event that your Android telephone isn't recorded above, not to stress. You can likewise attempt to filter QR codes without an application. To test if your camera is prepared to do this, utilization the accompanying advances: 1. Open your camera application and point it consistently for 2 to 3 seconds towards the QR code you need to check. 2. Whenever checking is empowered, a notice will show up. 3. If nothing occurs, you may need to go to your Settings application and empower QR code checking. 4. If QR codes isn't a choice in your settings, your gadget sadly can't examine QR codes locally. In any case, don't stress. This lone method you will host to download a third get-together QR code peruser application. Your business, regardless of how little or huge, could utilize QR and close to each item on your site containing all the item subtleties, the number to call and the URL connect to the page, so they can show their companions on their phone. You could add one to your business card containing your contact subtleties, so it's simple for somebody to include you to their contacts their mobile phone. Add them to any print promoting, flyers, banners, welcomes, TV advertisements, and so on containing product subtleties, contact subtleties, offer subtleties, event subtleties, competition subtleties, a coupon. Twitter, Facebook, MISPIS IDs once checked. Programming on the gadget changes over the specs inside the code into numbers or a series of characters. For instance, examining a QR code with your telephone may open a URL in your internet browser. QR codes can be utilized to sign into sites. A QR code is appeared on the login page on a PC screen, and when an enlisted clicks it with a confirmed cell phone, they will naturally be signed in. Validation is performed by the cell phone which contacts the server. Google tried such a login technique in January 2012. QR codes can be utilized to store financial balance data or charge card data, or they can be explicitly intended to work with specific installment supplier applications. There are a few preliminary utilizations of QR code installments in creating nations like India and China. QR code installment is a well-known and advantageous technique for making installments. In November 2012, QR code installments were sent for a bigger scope in the Czech Republic, when an open arrangement for installment data exchange, a short payment descriptor, was presented and embraced by the Czech Banking Association as the official neighborhood answer for QR installments. All QR codes have a square shape, and remember 3 square frameworks for the base left, upper left, and upper right corners. These square layouts characterize the direction of the code. The dabs inside the QR code contain arrangement and variant data just as the substance itself. QR codes likewise incorporate the specific degree of mistake remedy, characterized as L, M, Q, or H. A low measure of blunder adjustment, L, permits the QR rectification, H, makes the code simpler to examine. QR codes have two critical advantages over customary UPCs. The scanner tags ordinarily utilized in retail bundling. In the first place, since QR codes are two-dimensional, they can contain altogether a bigger number of information than a one-dimensional UPC. While an UPC may incorporate up to 25 distinct characters, a 33x33 variant 4 QR code can contain 640 bits or 114 alphanumeric characters. A 177x177 Form 40 QR code can stockpile to 23,648 bits or 4,296 characters. Another bit of leeway of QR codes is that they can be filtered from a screen. Standard UPC scanners utilize a laser to can't check an UPC from a screen, like a cell phone. QR scanners, be that as it may, are intended to catch 2D pictures imprinted on paper or showed on a screen. This makes it conceivable to utilize a QR code on your cell phone as a ticket at the air terminal, or as a ticket for an occasion. Hope you have understand the uses of QR barcodes. You can easily create your own QR codes for promoting your product, in order to enhance your brand name. Good luck and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.